The family SUV market is absolutely crowded with options, so what makes the new Renault Symbioz worth your attention? Today we're taking our first look at this oddly named French contender that promises impressive fuel economy and practicality without breaking the bank. The Symbioz name comes from symbiosis, meaning a harmonious relationship, and that's exactly what Renault is aiming for here, a balanced blend of efficiency, space, and value. But does it deliver? First impressions are solid. The Symbioz shares its front-end design with the smaller Captur, while the rear features an extended overhang that creates more cargo space. It's not revolutionary, but it's clean and contemporary, especially in the sportier Esprit Alpine trim with its distinctive 19-inch wheels. Under the hood, there's just one option, a 1.6-liter hybrid setup producing 143 horsepower. With a 0 to 62 time of 10.6 seconds, it's not exactly thrilling, but straight-line speed isn't the point here. What is impressive is the fuel economy. Renault claims 60.1 miles per gallon, and real-world testing suggests owners can expect around 56 MPG in mixed driving. That's significantly better than rivals like the Nissan Qashqai, and could mean serious savings over time. Inside, you'll find a modern cabin dominated by a 10.4-inch portrait touchscreen and a 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster. The Google-powered infotainment system is genuinely impressive, with crisp graphics and intuitive controls that put many premium brands to shame. One standout feature on top trim models is the Solarbay panoramic roof, which uses special glass that darkens at the touch of a button. It's a premium touch you wouldn't expect at this price point. On the road, the Symbioz delivers a comfortable, if somewhat unremarkable driving experience. The steering is light for easy city maneuvering, and the ride quality is decent, though models with the larger 19-inch wheels can feel a bit firm over potholes and speed bumps. Practicality is where the Symbioz truly excels. The rear bench slides, letting you choose between generous passenger space or increased cargo capacity. With seats all the way back, you get 492 liters of boot space. Slide them forward, and that expands to an impressive 624 liters, though rear passengers might complain about the reduced legroom. The adjustable boot floor adds versatility, and thoughtful touches like the ability to position it vertically to divide the cargo area show Renault has really considered how families use these vehicles day to day. Safety equipment is comprehensive, with automatic emergency braking, lane-keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control as standard across the range. Value is another strong point. Starting at £29,295, the Symbioz undercuts many competitors while offering more standard features. The mid-range Techno Esprit Alpine trim at £31,295 hits the sweet spot, adding heated seats, a powered tailgate, and blind spot monitoring. So what's the verdict on our first look? The Renault Symbioz won't set your pulse racing, but it excels where it matters for family buyers: efficiency, practicality, and value. It offers a sensible, well-thought-out package that deserves consideration, especially if you're looking to keep running costs low without sacrificing space. In this crowded segment, the Symbioz carves out its niche not by reinventing the wheel, but by focusing on the fundamentals and executing them well. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.